Hello, welcome to Java programming video tutorial series. In this session, we will talk about how you can run a Java program, compile and run Java program in your system using CMD. So you can see that we have a folder, and inside this folder, we have a simple text Java source code. So if you'll open it, this will open in the notepad itself, and you can see that we are doing the same thing. We are printing the hello world, okay, like the previous program, but we'll run this program in different way. For example, I have to open this particular folder in CMD. So what is the shortcut process for that? So if you'll type CMD here, you will go directly to this particular folder. And now I want to compile this particular simple Java file, source code file. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, we have to take the help of Java C compiler. So here I have to type Java C, and then I have to give the name of my source file, that is simple, and then I have to give the extension of the file, that is Java. And after that, what I have to do, just press enter, and you can see nothing is showing here. That means your compilation process done, completed, and you are not getting any kind of error. So if there will be any error at the time of compilation, you will get that particular error. Okay, but in this file we don't have any error. Now compilation process is done, and after the compilation process, as you know, that it creates a dot class file, or which is the bytecode. Now we can actually execute that particular file to see the result. So how we'll do that? Let me show that one also. Now to run it, what we have to do, you have to just type Java. Remember that at this point of time we are using only Java, not Java C. So to execute the file, you have to use Java, then space, and after that you have to give the name of your file, that is simple. And here we don't have to specify .java. Okay, so after that, what you have to do, just press enter, and as you can see that it is showing the result hello world. Okay, now let me remove this particular file. Okay, and now try to execute it one more time. So if we'll enter it, now you can see error, could not find or load main class simple. So class file is not there, that's why we cannot see the result, and it is throwing error. Okay, so for that you have to compile it again. Sorry, yes, compile it again using the Java C command, and at this point of time you can see simple.class generated. And now what you have to do, you can execute. Okay, and one more thing here I want to show you, that if I'll delete it and if I'll make any changes, for example if I'll do any syntax error, and if I'll save it, at the time of compilation you will get error. So let me show that one also. So as you can see that I have changed and saved the file. Okay, now let me compile it again, and as you can see that it is showing simple.java in line number 4, error is there and semicolon expected, and it is showing here in this place, and you can see one error is here. Okay, so if you'll do it multiple time, then also it will show the errors. Okay, so you have to rectify this place and then you can compile. Okay, so you have to give the semicolon, then control S from the keyboard, and again try to compile it. Now you can see no error is there because we have changed something in line number 4, and we have given the semicolon. Now if you want to see the result, you can see the result in this way. So this way you can use the Java C compiler in your command prompt CMD, and you can run it. Okay, so if you don't know how to open this one, so if you'll type window and R, then this will be open, run window will open, and then there you can use type here CMD, and it will be opened. This way you can open it, and as you can see that it is inside the C user HP folder. So to execute on this particular code, you have to go to this particular path over here. So I have just shown what is the process, shortcut process to reach this particular folder. So I hope now you understood that how we can run our code, Java code via CMD. So shortcut process, what you have to do, you have to select this one and type CMD here, and directly if you enter, it will go to this particular folder. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.